Hello, and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to talk about the best VPN to access WhatsApp in Pakistan. Specifically, we'll focus on NordVPN, which is one of the best options available. Whether you're looking to bypass restrictions or secure your communication, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download NordVPN. I've included a link in the description below where you can try NordVPN at a great price. Once you've downloaded the app, follow the instructions to install it on your device. NordVPN stands out because of its impressive features, ensuring you can always find a fast and reliable connection. It also uses advanced encryption to keep your data safe and private, so you can browse the web securely even on public Wi-Fi networks. Another great feature is its strict no-logs policy. This means NordVPN doesn't track, store, or share your online activity. Plus, it comes with a built-in ad blocker and protection against malware, so your browsing experience is smoother and more secure. Once the app is installed, open it and log in with your account credentials. Now that you're logged in, it's time to connect to a server. On the main screen of the NordVPN app, you'll see a world map and a list of countries. Since you're trying to access WhatsApp in Pakistan, you'll need to connect to a server in a region where WhatsApp is not restricted. For example, you could choose the United States, the United Kingdom, or any other country where WhatsApp works normally. Click on the country or select it from the list. NordVPN also offers specialty servers, such as double VPN servers, which route your connection through two servers for extra privacy. There are also obfuscated servers, designed to work in regions with heavy internet restrictions. Once you select a country, NordVPN will automatically connect you to the best server in that region. You'll see a notification or status change in the app confirming that you're connected. At this point, all your internet traffic is routed through the VPN, and any restrictions on WhatsApp in Pakistan will no longer apply. If you want to customize your experience, NordVPN offers additional features. You can enable the kill switch, which stops your internet traffic if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly. This ensures your data stays private at all times. You can also use NordVPN's split tunneling feature, which allows you to choose which apps use the VPN connection and which do not. If NordVPN isn't working as expected, there are a few things you can try. First, disconnect and reconnect to the VPN. Sometimes switching to a different server can resolve the issue. Second, check your internet connection to make sure it's stable. Finally, make sure you're running the latest version of the app, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. That's it for this tutorial on the best VPN for WhatsApp in Pakistan. Here are the subscription plans of NordVPN. I have included link in the description for you to try NordVPN at a great price.